teacher. My name is André Calderaro. I am in the 7th grade. I think it's right. I don't know. Today I'm doing the pancake recipe. Okay, we'll need first 200 milliliters of milk, 100 grams. I don't know what's right, but okay, of plain flour here. 1 tablespoon of sugar that I put later in this video, 1 tablespoon of butter that's here, half tablespoon of bakery powder, it's here, 2 eggs here, and a pinch of salt that I put later in this video. Okay, in the beginning we'll need to put the milk here in a bowl. Next, we'll need the plain flour here. Okay. Next, we'll need the eggs. Break the eggs here. And whisk it here. We will need sugar here. We will need now butter here. Bakery powder here. And a pinch of salt here. Here. Okay. Now we'll need to put the mix into the pan. After this side is brown, of course I have flipped that yet, but you have to flip this to the white side, be like this, browned. Now we will need to put the pancake in the pan, in the plate. Okay, like that, and it's ready. My pancake's not so big, but it's only static. Okay, and this is my pancake of my English work. Okay, I put it in the plate, and it's ready to eat. Enjoy.